Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vishesha Yadav, fertility consultant at Gynec World, and today I am going to talk to you regarding some of the measures that you can take during these difficult times if you have been trying to conceive. Now, with the spread of coronavirus, the ASRM, that is the American Society of Reproductive Medicine, has released certain guidelines which state that no new IVF cycles can be done now. With the suspension of all the IVF cycles, it is a truly heartbreaking period for all the fertility community. But this step has been taken because as of now, we do not know how this virus behaves or acts, if at all, a pregnant woman contracts it in the first trimester of pregnancy. Hence, it is always better to stay safe and delay pregnancy during these times. Now, if you have already undergone an embryo transfer or you are in the midst of a cycle where you cannot go back, then you have to be really vigilant and responsible. Please practice social distancing, wash your hands frequently with soap and water, and minimize all types of exposures. Now, those patients who have been scheduled for an upcoming cycle, you can use this time to pre-treat yourself and make a plan along with your doctor. You can get your queries answered, and especially those patients who have been trying to lose weight can utilize this period to shed off those extra kilos. We as a team are always available online as well as for a telephonic conversation or a virtual consultation. So you can get in touch with us and ask us all your queries. Till then, please take all precautionary measures and stay home and stay safe.